Hi, and welcome to the MSPM0 Peripheral Training Series video on the DAC module. Similar to discrete digital to analog converters, or DACs, the integrated DAC module of the MSPM0 enables the conversion of digital signals to analog signals. In this video, I will introduce you to the features of the DACs integrated into MSPM0, as well as the training materials and examples included in the SDK. The number of DACs available in the MSPM0 MCU varies depending on the device you choose. In the 32 MHz MSPM0L1X family, there is at most a single 8-bit reference DAC included as part of the comparator module. In the 80 MHz MSPM0G family, there is up to one independent 12-bit DAC and three 8-bit reference DACs included as part of the three comparator modules. Check the device datasheet to be certain how many are available for any given MSPM0 variant. Let's take a closer look at the features of the MSPM0 DAC12 module. The DAC can be configured to either a resolution of 12 bits or 8 bits. The DAC input can either be updated directly by the CPU or DMA, or through the 4-sample deep FIFO. The FIFO and DAC update can be triggered by the internal sample time generator, which has options up to 1 megasample per second for update rate, or via the event framework from any published event. At the DAC output, the MSPM0 supports automatic self-calibration to remove offset voltage. In addition, the DAC can be connected either internally to other modules, such as the OPA, ADC, or comparator, or fed externally to a device pin. This flexibility allows for the DAC to cover a wide range of use cases. In devices with a comparator module, the MSPM0 also has a built-in 8-bit reference DAC, which can provide a voltage to the OPA or comparator. The DAC8 can also be sent to an external pin by using the OPA module to buffer the output. If you're interested in evaluating or using either of the types of DAC within the MSPM0, there are quite a few resources to get you started. First, we recommend purchasing the MSPM0 Launchpad to use as your initial development hardware. With the Launchpad, you can work through our MSPM0 Academy for the DAC module. This online tutorial will help you understand the configuration and usage details of the DAC module through successive tasks, questions, and instructions. You can also refer directly to the driver-lib examples in the SDK to see how to write software that uses the internal DACs in a number of configurations. For simple initial configuration of the DAC, you can use the sysconfig graphical configuration tool. After opening sysconfig, you can add a DAC12 instance as shown. Fill in the initial settings and compile. The code generated will automatically handle the configuration steps for the DAC module and any other device peripherals you have enabled without requiring you to write a single line of code. If you want to learn more still, you can access any of the documentation shown here. Using Resource Explorer will allow you to see all examples and documentations for MSPM0 in your browser without any downloads required. There is also a handy Quick Start document, which provides more detailed instructions for beginners to set up their development environment. And for more detailed information on the MSPM0 family, you can always look at the datasheet or technical reference manual for your part. This concludes our video introducing the DAC modules within the MSPM0 family. Thank you for watching. The presentation files for this video are included in the video description, so you can access the provided links to training and resources.